Hey, my name is Antonio, and I'm sharing a great method for getting free coins for Lightning Link Casino Slot. I've been using this method for a week now, and it works. I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do. First, we go to the generator website. Now we can see that we need to enter our email address or nickname, which will be used to generate the free coins. It's very simple. I'll enter mine and show you what to do next. Once you enter your name, click the Connect button. Now we see that we need to choose how many coins we want to generate. To keep it reasonable, I enter 788 coins, and then click the Submit button. Now we need to wait a moment, because the process of adding coins to Lightning Link has started. Depending on your internet connection speed, the time may vary. After a short while, we see the message, "Your resources have been created successfully," which means everything worked correctly. It's worth reading what they wrote here. You need to share the website, which I already did, and the method works 100% on new accounts. We click Continue, and now we're at the final step. We need to complete a verification task. Don't worry, it's free and very easy. I'll show you everything step by step. The verification helps prevent abuse of the generator and ensures that the coins are added to the correct account. Additionally, the coins in the website are funded by sponsors through these tasks, so everyone can use it for free. Don't worry, it only takes a few minutes, and once it's done, the verification is complete. As you can see, there's information about which tasks are recommended for users in the USA. For other countries, the verification tasks may be different. I choose this task, Quick Install, Opera GX. But if you use a generator on your phone, I recommend the following task. Install Cash Cow. Play 3 games for 5 minutes each, new users only. Let me show you how to do it. Just download, install, and run the Opera GX browser. I recommend this browser. It works very quickly. Keep in mind that you may see slightly different tasks from the sponsor, depending on your country of origin. We go to the task, and as you can see, there's a red Download Opera GX button. We click it and wait for the browser to download. The download speed depends on your internet connection. Once the browser is downloaded, we open the installer, install the browser, and then launch it. Just to be safe, I used the browser for a while to make sure the task was fully completed. If you don't like this task, you can always choose another, easier one. Remember, if you don't complete the task, the coins will not be added to Lightning Link, so this step is very important. Alright, to save time, I skipped showing the installation and usage on screen. The task has been completed, so now let's check Lightning Link to see if the coins were added to the account. And look at that, the coins have been added to the account successfully. I really recommend this method. A few of my friends are also using it and are very satisfied. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like, share the video, and feel free to leave a comment. See you next time.